Hey all my people, happy Vows in Arrest. Today is the day after Valentine, and I hope you all have a nice day yesterday. Hope you all did good yesterday. A lot of persons were under pressure because of Valentine, and I believe now we can now go back to businesses. We can face our businesses well enough. All right. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can write or type the longest or any amount of words or sentences or articles without making a single mistake. And I'm going to show you a tool that you're going to use. The good thing about it is that it's totally free. Alright, let's just dive into the video. But before we go into the video, I want to thank those of you that are subscribed to my channel, those of you that always comment, those of you that always come back to watch my video over and over. You are my real MVP. I'm really grateful to you, and I really appreciate you. And maybe as time goes on, I'm just going to surprise some of my subscribers. One or two of you, I'm going to surprise you with some amazing gifts. All right. So already I mentioned some about gift some in some of my previous videos. Those ones is a different case. They are different, and they are going to be inclusive as well. So this particular one, I'm just going to make it really good, a kind of really big, so that you all will find it reasonable. All right. So like I was saying, now this particular tool, what it does for you is totally free. All you just need to do is to install it on your laptop, and whenever you are typing on your browser, let's say you are chatting or you're typing an article on your browser, or maybe you are typing your article in whatever you are typing in your maybe while browsing or whatever, you can always get it, get whatever mistake that is within the article corrected. Let's say you're typing Microsoft Word, or maybe you have a whole list of articles and you want to just get it corrected. You can use this particular tool. And one good thing about it is, if you already have a pre-typed articles, and you can just copy and paste it in it, and then everything will be corrected, and so it makes things pretty easy, not like before whereby you type and then you have to proofread over and over and over to spot out the mistakes. This time around, as you go on, typing or maybe pouring out your heart into whatever article. Let's say you're a freelancer and you are, freelancer, you have to pour out as it's coming in your head. Okay, so maybe as you're typing, as you're bringing out much words, all right, this helps you just correct the mistakes within the words, within the article. So it's just as simple as that. So I'm going to show you now, and I'm going to show you how it pretty works. Okay, so see you in my video. Alright guys, welcome here. This is me having so many tabs open right here, and let me open a Facebook tab, and let's say a Twitter tab, and okay, let's say now already the app I'm talking about, what you need is what we call Grammarly. Grammarly is spelled Grammarly. Alright, so if you go to Grammarly.com. now it's free, and if you have to or want to pay for get the paid version, that is totally free. So now what you do here, let's say I have an article and I want to check how grammatical, any grammatical error in the article. Let me, for instance, search any article online. Let me search what is forex trading. I'm just looking for any article. Alright, so let me get this one here, right here now. Okay, let me just copy from here to here. Alright, Ctrl C, and then come to Grammarly. Let me say assuming you have a typed article, that is also good, or have a typed article in Microsoft Word, that's good. I just have to paste it here. Alright, so I have to choose how I want the grammar to sound, and I want it okay, knowledgeable, or the kind of audience I'm setting it to. Let me say knowledgeable, general, or expert. I'll leave it as knowledgeable. Okay, this neutral. Let's say I want to make it formal, domain, business, academic, general. I might leave it as general, or maybe probably choose business. You know, some things here are paid, some are premium, like all these parts are premium. Okay, so let me click done right now. Now what this will actually Grammarly actually do is it will actually, you know, correct the right sentence. Like here, what is supposed to say, whether they realize it or not. Okay, what is not supposed to be there, I just have to come here and be clicking it out or not. Okay, there's not supposed to be a comma there, and then this other one, it will just be listing the mistake in order, and then where the grammar is supposed to be corrected. You see here, instead of traveling double L, there's only one L there, and then till your article is fully checked. Alright, so let me say you did not type any article. Okay, for you, if you want other things like grammatical check, word choices, passive voices, misuse, wordy sentence, unclear sentences, intricate text, you can go for a premium. And so what I'm saying is, let's say your article is not typed. Let's say now Grammarly offers an option where you can install, let's go to Grammarly home, where you can install an add-on on your browser, like on Google Chrome. Like you can see here, I already have mine installed here. Alright, so now I already have mine installed. So wherever I go, whatever I do online, let's say I type whatever, let's say okay, let me just look for a free sentence that probably is not correct. I think let me see if I can grab it from Facebook. I don't seem to find anything there. Alright, let me just grab it from here, the usual place. Okay, let me say I grab a sentence from here and then put some few stuff that is not correct. I want to put out a tweet, and then I put, instead of currency, I put currency rather. Alright, now you can see this green dot here, that's Grammarly there. Alright, and then come here, add full stop. Alright, so now you see Grammarly automatically highlight the one that is wrong, and then once I put my cursor on it, then I can easily correct it. The same thing happens to Facebook, the same thing happens to any other place on your social media handle, or whatever handle, or whatever that has to do with your browser that you want to type in, or that you want to, you know, type an article. So so that's just it. So now this Grammarly now helps you to be able to articulately express yourself online, on your social media, on your online platform, or your freelancing platform, without any grammatical error, without any mistakes. Gone were the days where you would want to make an article online and then you just put it out and you don't know if that's a mistake or not, and someone comes up to you and point out, oh, this article had this mistake or it had the other mistake. So with this particular article, then you can actually do a lot of things. Like you can actually, you know, type anything anywhere, like put out a lot of simple articles, and then without much struggle, and then yeah, so that's just it. So this is a good tool that is actually very good for your businesses, like for, you know, we're all doing businesses these days, and for, you know, it helps to enhance your performance daily, like when you're putting out articles and you really need to do some things really fast. Okay, so this particular tool help you to, help to, enhance your proofreading. Alright, enhance your proofreading. Okay, so
Be sure that you kindly check out for it and then make use of it. I don't know if there's a mobile version of it, but I sure know that there should be a mobile version of it. So be sure that you check out for it. It's a very effective tool, and every business personnel should get this. Everyone should get this. It's very important. All right, it's a tool that. In fact, there's no need for anybody to say, okay, I made a mistake in this or that. So if by now you're not yet subscribed to my channel and you came across this video, and please do well to subscribe. We are now at 387. Let's get it to 1000 before the month runs out. Let's see how. Let's build the community and let's help more people, and let's improve more lives. All right, so see you in my next video.